Today, it's all about apothecary jars. If you don't know what an apothecary jar is, no worries, I've got you covered. It looks something like this. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and they are wonderful to use in your decor seasonally. And you can decorate using beautiful items to display on the inside of the jars. So in today's video, it's all about Valentine's Day, and we're gonna find creative ways to display these in a kitchen. Now keep in mind, with apothecary jars, you can virtually display them everywhere. They're not necessarily just for kitchens, although I think they look beautiful in a kitchen. You could also place these on top of a buffet, on top of a beautiful cabinet, or even in a hutch where you've got varying heights in your shelves, you know, to accommodate an apothecary jar. Now in today's video, I'm going to be styling 3 different sizes of apothecary jars using items that will make a wonderful display for Valentine's Day. However, I went upstairs and shopped my house and I found this and I thought, we could do something fun with this too. So I think we're gonna start with this and then we'll move on to the apothecary jars. We're gonna start out with some decorative crinkle paper and go from there. I like it because it's red and white, perfect for Valentine's Day. Right? We're not stopping there. All right, guys, now we're bringing a romantic touch. We're bringing the tulips that I shared with you on Monday's video. I'll link them below. They are so beautiful and they really look realistic. So I'm gonna take this off. This is such a cute idea for any tabletop, and I love the wood base. So, it doesn't stop there. Next, I have 2 different kinds of ribbon on hand, and I think I'm going to do sort of a corset look and feel to this cylinder vase. Stay tuned. Now, I was thinking, what do I go with? My eyes go to the green, but I want to go with the one that's going to make this stand out the best. I kind of feel like this ribbon may do the trick. So let me play. In order to do this corset style design, what I'm going to do is take it around the vase. Then what I'm going to do is go against it like this. Want to pull it tight, super, super tight. Go around. You can just tie it into a knot and kind of let the strands hang. You can tuck them under, or you can tie a bow. It's all personal preference. Okay, so some of you may be saying, Liz, why put the ribbon on if it's going to cover the material in the vase? It's sort of like a peekaboo appearance. You've got the beautiful romantic tulips up top. You have red and white popping through, and then you've got this beautiful satin ribbon. So I think it gives it a very upscale, elegant look for any tabletop. And you can choose ribbon. You can go with floral ribbon. You can go with a colored ribbon. You can go with a black and white, dare I say. I was gonna do black and white, but I was like, for my girls that don't like black and white, I wanted to do something different for you. Also keep in mind, when you do this corset look, you can start down below and bring it up and have the ribbon up top, or you can do it the opposite way and bring it down. So again, it's all personal preference, but now I think I might just tie a bow and call it done. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I used to do these back in the day all the time, and I don't know why I stopped doing them, but I want to start doing some more elegant things like this when I get to the new house. I can't wait. Hurry up, spring. Now, if you don't have a cylinder vase like this, I'll try to find some on Amazon and link them, and I'll see if I can find some with a base, because that does obviously help out. But I think this is so cute. You've got a little rustic. I feel like this brings a little glam and elegance, while the inside just is like a peekaboo of Valentine's Day colors. And then you've got the beautiful tulips. So this would look great on any tabletop as a centerpiece, as a standalone piece, or create a really pretty vignette with this. You can choose traditional Valentine's Day colors or choose colors that kind of coordinate with your home. And I love this because this is definitely the color in my house, and the red and white isn't like boom in your face. So for that reason, I love this. I want to show you the back side. So the back side is awfully cute too. And you know, you kind of see the crisscrossing, and it gives it a very interesting look. So no matter where you place this, it's gonna look good from the front to the back. On to the next one. And when we're done, we will do a comparison of everything we've created. And then I'd love to know which one is your favorite. Okay, this is my next apothecary jar. Beautiful. I've got them clean and washed, and now we're gonna add some funfetti. Now, the fun thing about using apothecary jars in your kitchen is that you can do cookies, you can do brownies, you can do trail mix, you can do popcorn, you can do all kinds of things. Just put in your favorites and do a cute display. I usually like to do a grouping of 3. And so we're going in with some funfetti, you guys. I just want to splash a color for fun. Now this funfetti could go Easter easily. It could go Valentine's Day. It's got the pink in there. And I just thought it would be fun to have in the kitchen. Let's do it. Cute. We're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna do another apothecary jar, and then we're gonna figure out how we want to display them and whether or not we want to add some bows or ribbon. Okay, now I have this apothecary jar, which is super cute, and we're gonna fill it with more funfetti. And now we have large apothecary jar. And what we're going to place inside it are some Marshmallow Hearts. So I think these are super cute. Marshmallow Hearts. Let me show you. Aren't these cute? I don't know if you guys can see. They're pink with white on the center. Let's place them in the apothecary jar. Let's add some more. Okay, so now I got to thinking, how am I gonna display them here in the kitchen? It's by Deco 79, I'm not sure. I'll link it below. It comes in a set of 2. It's white, it's chippy, and it's got black handles. I thought I could set this sort of at an angle on my island. So I'm going to set all 3 of them down on the tray. However, I want to elevate one of them to vary the heights. So I have this adorable riser. It's white and it's got little wood legs. I'm gonna set that to the back. Okay friends, I love how it looks here on the countertop. Very cute, very festive. And now I'm going to go in with one of my XOXO hearts that I had cut out. And I'm going to place this in one of the apothecary jars just to add a Valentine's Day touch. Now it's not giving me Easter vibes. Now in the other apothecary jar, I'm gonna go in with 3 little cutouts of hearts. And I'm just gonna set them in there. And I will tell you, the Funfetti will not be eaten by anybody in the family. It's purely for looks. So if you wanna do a fun display in an apothecary jar, keep in mind it doesn't necessarily have to be something you put in your kitchen that the family will eat out of, although you can. You know, a lot of people like to do the stacked Oreos, you know, the Khloe Kardashian kind of look in their jars, or, you know, whatever. But for us, this is just purely for looks. Now, I'm sure the marshmallows will be dipped into because they're good. Now friends, if you want to dress up your apothecary jars, you can certainly go in with some really cute Valentine's Day ribbon. I am not feeling the green or this with the apothecary jars. And that's really all I have on hand. I do have black and white, but I don't know if I want to use it. So I think what I'm going to do is a cute display down here and keep the focus on how pretty this looks, because the glass is all shiny and pretty. And then we've got the pops of pink for Valentine's Day. So let's add a little love to this display. So I just want to show you that if you want to dress up your apothecary jars with ribbon, you certainly can. Just add some really cute ribbon and then you can dovetail it or just whatever. But it does look cute, but we're skipping out on this. So we have 3 options. We have a set of inked hearts. How cute, how cute. We have this beaded, we have this, I can't get it to stay, letters keep flipping on me, but we have this beaded little garland that says L-O-V-E. I can't get it to stay. we can kind of just set that on the tray. Or we have this adorable sign that says love. What to do, what to do. So this is really cute. However, this, I don't know, my eyes keep going to this. Let's try it. If I wanted to be a little extra, I could take these heart plates. They're super pretty. I could get a little plate holder and tuck it behind the Apothecary jars to add a little festive touch. You know, something like that, and then another one on the other side. I hope I was able to give you some fun ideas on how to style Apothecary jars. Again, use what you like in your home. Go with your color scheme or go with fun, you know, Valentine's Day colors. You know, the traditional red, white, and pink. And just so you have another look at this, I love satin ribbon because as you can see, it shines, so it gives it a really elegant look. And then you can put whatever you want in the top. I could do eucalyptus, I could do a boxwood ball. I mean, you have options. It doesn't have to just be tulips, it could be whatever you like. Tell me, which ones are you drawn to? Are you drawn to this fun little look, or are you drawn to this for the kitchen island? I think I would put this on any tabletop in your house. And these Apothecary jars are great. You can put them in a large basket and do a cute display that way. You can put it on a tray like this. You have options. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And for all of your love and your comments. You guys are the best. Come back and see me Friday. We'll be up to something. I'm not quite sure yet. I've got a couple of different ideas. So I will see you then. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.